Good morning and welcome to the new nanobot. Today I'm going to show you about the nanobot. It's really cool because it goes fast and it looks like it's alive. Here's the battery, and over here is the switch. Now I'll show you how it drives. The nanobot also comes with a small starter set. It looks like this. It's small, but it's cool. The gates can open and close like this if you want the nanobot to go through. And sometimes the nanobot goes round in circles. Now I'm going to show you how the nanobot drives in the starter set.
Some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Nah, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
Damn, that's a cold ass honky.
rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine, dressed in all pink.
The nanobot will come in a packet like this.